Here, let me take one more problem of solving non-homogeneous differential equation by direct integration. So here, how you decide it is non-homogeneous? Because in right hand side you have both independent variable x and y. Yes. So here with direct integration, first part is same as how we had done previous problem. 2 times you need to integrate with respect to x. So written notation dou by dou x into dou z by dou x equal to xy. First integrate with respect to x. First integrate with respect to x, dou z by dou x, y is constant. So integral of x dx and constant of that integration is f of y. So dou z by dou x is y into integral of x is x square by 2 plus f of y. To get z, we need to integrate with respect to x once again. So y by 2 constant, integral of x square dx, f of y constant, integral of dx plus constant of integration now is g of y. Again y itself is a constant, treated as constant. So some function of y will be the second time constant of integration. So left side integral and this derivative get cancelled and we obtain only z. So integral of x square is x cube by 3. 3 2 is 6 into y. F of y integral of dx is x plus g of y. So this first part is same as how we had done in the previous problem. Now to find out the constant of integration, this f of y and g of y, they have given some conditions, correct, that we need to apply. Dou z by dou x value is this when x is 1. First we need to apply that in equation 2. Here we need to apply, in equation 1, dou z by dou x value as log of 1 plus y when x is 1. So that step is written here. Dou z by dou x answer is written as log 1 plus y and x is taken as 1 by 2 f. So what is f of y? You will get log of 1 plus y minus y by 2. Then this answer is substituted in equation 2 here in this final answer. So x cube y by 6, x plus f of y answer we substitute and written like this here. So name this as equation 3. Now to obtain g of y, substitute the another one condition what they have given in the problem. Z equal to 0 when x is 0. So 0, x 0, 0, this whole term is become 0. So g of y, what you will get answer of g of y is 0. So this is the final answer. Substitute g of y is 0. This will be the final answer. Let me take one more example. Solve a partial differential equation, non-homogeneous one with this condition. So let me start writing it from left. Observe here. Till now we didn't face any problem. From left as it is, how they have given, we used to write it down. But you should be very careful. It also depends on this condition what they have given. If I write it as it is, first we integrate with respect to x, we get the answer dou z by dou y. But to find one of the constant, what their given condition is dou z by dou x, not dou z by dou y. So it means that first to integrate with respect to y. So at that time you will be left out with dou z by dou x. So in this step you can substitute the given condition to find out the constant f of x. So such cases you should observe it what they have given. If you are not observed and while substituting it this condition, you may realize, oh, I got it here dou z by dou y, not dou z by dou x. So what I should do? In that case you should realize that you should interchange the order of this integration here. So write it dou z by dou y into dou z by dou x. Because order of the differentiation is dou square z by dou y dou x or dou x dou y in the denominator. Both answers are same. Hence you can change that order of the differentiation anyway. So based on that we integrate first with respect to y. So this term get cancelled, we get this bracket term dou z by dou x. X as it is, integral of 1 by y is log y and constant of integration is f of x. See, that answer is written here. Dou z by dou x, x log y plus f of x. So now to get z, integrate once again with respect to x. So constant of integration will be g of y. So integrate all the terms of x, log y constant x dx, integral of f of x dx. Integral of f of x dx is capital F of x, z log y as it is, integral of x is x square by 2. So this is a general solution of the partial differential equation. With this given conditions, we need to find out this constant of integration and we can obtain the particular solution. Now I need to find out f of x. F of x means what? Integral of small letter f of x. So what is small letter f of x? I can obtain it from this equation 1. So substitute the given condition in equation 1. Dou z by dou x they have given it as log x and y they asked you to take it as 1 f of x. We know log 1 is 0. So what you get, f of x is equal to log x. And capital F of x I need to find out means I need to integrate small letter f of x. So small letter f of x is log x. How to integrate log x? There is no direct integral formula. We need to apply integration by parts using Eilert condition. Log x is taken for differentiation and 1 is taken for integration. So log x kept as it is. Integration of x1 is x minus differentiation of log x is 1 by x and integration of 1 is x. That x get cancelled, then only integral of dx will be left out. That integral of dx is nothing but x. Directly it is written. Try to solve it. If you have a doubt, you can ask me later. This is direct answer they have written, integration of doing integration by parts. Consider this as u and this as v. Apply integration by parts formula. Hence capital F of x you got it as x into log x minus x. That you need to substitute over here. So substituted over there. Now to find out g of y, we need to substitute another one given condition. What they have given, z value is 0 when x is 1. So 0 substitute, x you substitute it as 1. Wherever x is there you substitute 1. Log 1 we know it is 0 minus 1 plus g of y. So what is g of y you will get? G of y is 1 minus half into log y by 2. So substitute that answer here in equation 3. So that will be the particular solution. That will be the particular solution of it. Here just log property they have applied. N into log m is log m to the power of n. So log y to the power of half. Y to the power of half is written as root y. Okay. So these are the some problems related to solving non-homogeneous differential equation by direct integration. See, observe that you need to catch out the notations what it is there. Based on that notation you need to integrate or differentiate which term should be treated constant, when you need to integrate, all that concept I have explained. If you have any doubt you can clear it that one. Thank you.